When it comes to financial prosperity, many people search for it in the wrong places. Some look for higher salaries, blame economic conditions, or point fingers at their employers. However, the real key to wealth lies within you. It's not about external factors, but about transforming what you already possess into money. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful ways to turn what you already have into wealth. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your financial situation and work towards becoming richer in the next 12 months. Let's dive in and unlock the potential within you. 1. Transform your time into money. Benjamin Franklin famously said, "Time is money," and he was absolutely right. Time is one of your most valuable assets, and how you choose to spend it can greatly impact your financial future. Many people see time merely as 24 hours a day, but it's much more than that. It's your life. Your time can be the catalyst for your wealth if you use it wisely. Consider how much time you waste daily on activities like watching TV, gossiping, or scrolling through social media. If you analyze your daily routine honestly, you'll find that several hours are spent on these distractions. Henry Ford once said, "Most people get ahead during the time that others waste." Reflect on this. The same 2 hours you spent on Instagram yesterday could have been used to read a financial book or learn about starting a business. Similarly, the 20 hours you wasted on TV series last week could have been spent acquiring a new skill or improving your job performance. To turn your time into wealth, begin by tracking how you spend it. Identify and eliminate time-wasting activities and replace them with productive ones. Invest in reading financial literature, working on personal projects, or learning new skills. Set aside 5 hours each week to focus on your ideas or self-improvement. By becoming more intentional with your time, you can transform it into a valuable asset that contributes to your financial growth. Here's a practical approach to start. Create a weekly schedule and allocate specific blocks of time for productive activities. For example, you might dedicate 1 hour each day to reading books on financial management or investing. Another hour could be spent developing a side business or enhancing your skills through online courses. By managing your time more effectively, you'll notice an increase in your productivity and eventually your income. 2. Transform your internet presence into income. The internet offers vast opportunities, yet many people use it solely for entertainment or social interaction without realizing its potential as a revenue source. Think about how much money your online activities are generating for other companies like Instagram, Google, or Facebook. Most people have no clue about the financial impact their internet usage has on these platforms. Instead of viewing the internet as just a source of pleasure, shift your perspective to see it as a business tool. Instagram, Facebook, Google, and YouTube are not just platforms for socializing, they are powerful tools for generating income. Ask yourself, how can you leverage these platforms to promote your own business? What can you sell on eBay? How can you monetize your content on YouTube? Start by analyzing how you use the internet. Are you simply consuming content, or are you creating and sharing valuable information? Identify areas where you can turn your online presence into a source of income. For instance, you could start a blog or YouTube channel focused on a niche topic you're passionate about. Market these platforms through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Spend time researching how others are making money online and exploring ways you can do the same. Invest at least 2 hours into learning about monetizing your internet presence. Utilize search engines to find out how people are earning through various online channels. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, creating content, or selling products, the internet can be a lucrative asset if you use it with a strategic mindset. For example, if you have a talent for photography, consider selling your images on stock photo websites. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, you could offer online courses or write ebooks. The key is to identify your strengths and interests and find ways to monetize them through the internet. By doing so, you can turn your online presence into a significant source of income. 3. Turn your network into money. Your network can be a powerful source of wealth if you connect with the right people. Grant Cardone once said, "If you don't like your net worth, check your network." If you're dissatisfied with your financial situation, take a close look at the people you surround yourself with. Your network can provide valuable opportunities, insights, and connections that can significantly impact your financial success. Many people have valuable contacts but fail to maintain or utilize these connections effectively. Recently, I had a conversation with a fellow entrepreneur, and during our discussion, he introduced me to software that was far more efficient and cost-effective than what I was considering. This conversation alone saved me a significant amount of money and highlighted the power of a well-nurtured network. To enhance your financial situation through networking, Make an effort to meet and engage with valuable people in your industry. Prioritize face-to-face interactions over social media connections. Invest time in meaningful discussions about business, life, and innovative ideas. One valuable conversation can open doors to new opportunities and resources that can transform your financial future. Consider attending industry events, conferences, or networking meetups where you can connect with influential individuals. Engage in conversations and share your ideas and goals. By building strong relationships with people who can offer guidance, support, or collaboration, you can create opportunities that may lead to financial growth. 4. Transform your skills into wealth. Skills are a tremendous asset that can be turned into significant wealth. We often see individuals making substantial incomes through talents like dancing, singing, writing, or public speaking. What skills do you possess, and how can you leverage them to create wealth? If you feel you lack valuable skills, identify areas where you can develop expertise. Skills such as writing, video editing, graphic design, coding, cooking, or public speaking can be monetized effectively. If you don't already have a marketable skill, consider investing in learning one. There are numerous resources available, including books, online courses, and mentorship programs that can help you acquire new skills. Once you've developed a skill, focus on monetizing it. Research how others in your field are generating income and seek guidance from successful individuals. For instance, if you're a talented writer, you could offer freelance writing services or start a blog that generates income through ads and sponsorships. If you're skilled at graphic design, consider taking on freelance projects or creating and selling design templates. Remember that turning skills into wealth requires time, persistence, and continuous improvement. Set clear goals for how you want to use your skills and create a plan to achieve them. Start small and gradually expand your efforts as you gain experience and confidence. By understanding and harnessing the value of your skills, you can create new income streams and enhance your financial standing. 5. Transform your problems into wealth. Jack Ma once said, "Opportunity is in the place of a problem." Many financial successes stem from identifying and solving problems. To improve your financial situation, focus on finding ways to make others' lives better by addressing their challenges. For example, a few years ago, I noticed a growing trend in the renewable energy sector in my city. Many individuals were interested in starting solar panel installation businesses, but there was a lack of affordable, high-quality training available. Seeing this gap, I created an online platform that connected aspiring installers with experienced professionals for training and certification. This platform not only addressed a critical need, but also became a profitable venture for me. Transforming problems into wealth involves recognizing gaps in the market and creating solutions that people are willing to pay for. Look closely at the problems people face and think about how you can solve them. Listen to what people complain about to understand their challenges and needs. By identifying and solving problems, you can create valuable solutions that others are willing to pay for. Consider areas where you've experienced difficulties or frustrations. How can you turn those experiences into opportunities? For example, if you've struggled with managing personal finances, you could create a budgeting tool or offer financial coaching services. By addressing problems you've encountered, you can provide valuable solutions that resonate with others and generate income. Remember, your wealth is not determined by external factors, but by how you use what you already have. Start today by implementing these strategies and watching how they can positively impact your financial situation. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family to inspire them on their financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more valuable content. Have a wonderful day and take care.